Hi everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. In today's video, we're going to tackle the infamous P0172 trouble code. This code indicates that the engine's air-fuel mixture is running too rich on bank 1, meaning there's too much fuel and not enough air. Let's get started. Error code P0172 is an OBD-II diagnostic trouble code DTC defined as system to rich bank 1. The P0172 error code is set when your engine control module ECM, also known as engine control unit, detects too much gasoline in the exhaust gas coming out of your combustion chamber. The check engine light is on, poor fuel economy, rough idle, engine stalling, black smoke from the exhaust, strong fuel smell from the exhaust. MAP sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAP sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleansed. You can spray the MAP sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicular to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAP sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold of the car. Remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Reinstall a new oxygen sensor from the original equipment company and put it back on the catalytic converter. Once all issues are addressed, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the P0172 code. Take the car for a test drive and monitor the live data to ensure everything is running smoothly. If the code doesn't return, you've successfully fixed the problem. And that's it. Fixing a P0172 code can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it's manageable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.